Sun Tzu said, "In the midst of chaos, there is opportunity." General Tso commands this kitchen now. The black beans are the vanguard, the ribs the infantry, garlic the artillery. I see you reaching for ketchup. Pathetic. Marinate ribs with soy, Shaoxing, sugar, cornstarch, exactly 47 stir motions. Blanch for 30 seconds. Hesitation is treason. Steam rises like war drums. The ribs endure a siege of heat. Patience wins fortresses. Sauté black beans, garlic, chili. Cavalry charges the wok. Add soy and sesame oil, creating a glaze. French fries are a coward's snack. Return ribs to the wok. The black bean glaze flanks the palate. Sweet first, heat ambushes behind. Taste test? Acceptable. Serve with soldier's spice. Plate the ribs. Drizzle sesame oil. Scatter red chili like fire arrows. I will not tolerate soggy glaze. Good. Victory earned. Salute and try this flavor battle.